Hi, my name is Sandy from the National Hanger Company, and today I'm going to show you how to put together the Stanford base. Okay, so you're going to have your base, and then you're going to have your wooden upright, and also your chrome upright. And to put this together, you're going to take your wooden upright, and there's a screw at the end. You're going to put it in the hole of the base, and you're going to screw that in until it's nice and tight. Okay, so once you have your wooden upright inserted and nice and tight, then you're going to take your chrome upright and you're going to turn that into the screw as well. And now that you've put together your base, sold separately is our dress forms. This is our P22 Classic dress form. And underneath, we have our 7/8 flange, which is going to attach to the hole. Now you're going to attach your form to your chrome upright. You're going to take that flange, line it up, and you're going to slide her down to the desired height and tighten the knob on the inside. And there you have your form. There are many ways to accessorize your dress form. Here I have the rookwood neck block, and how you're going to attach this is simply set it on top of the dress form and push it down. Thank you for choosing National Hanger, your resource.